I switched from Canva to Adobe Express and honestly, I did not expect it to be this good. Same kind of designs, same ease of use, but completely free. Let me show you why. Go to express.adobe.com. On the home screen, you get over thousands of free templates for everything. Social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram stories, posters and presentations. All ready to customize in a clean drag and drop editor. Now here are the features that will actually make you think twice about Canva. First, background removal is completely free on Adobe Express. On Canva, this is locked behind the paid plan. Second, you get free AI credits every month powered by Adobe Firefly. Use them to generate images, remove unwanted objects from photos, or use generative fill to add or replace elements in your design, all free. Third, you get access to over 4,000 fonts for free. Canva locks most of its premium fonts behind the paid plan. Fourth, you get over 1 million royalty-free stock photos, videos and music tracks to use in your designs completely free. And here is something most people do not even know about. Adobe Express also has a full video editing section built right in. You can trim videos, merge videos, resize videos, crop videos, convert to GIF, animate characters, and even convert to MP4. And as a bonus, you also get a free PDF editor, QR code generator, logo maker, collage maker, and card maker, all inside the same tool. Once your design or video is ready, just click download and save it. No watermark on most content. It is free to start and covers most of what people actually pay Canva for. Link is in the description. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think. And follow Tweak Library for more free tool discoveries like this.